Hello everyone, welcome to Graphic Designers Workshop. Let us see how to use paths with outlines to create awesome designs with type tool in Illustrator. So let us start. So first we will type some text on our artboard. We'll just type RS art. So we will scale the text. We'll give pure red color for the text. Right. Now we will create some outlines. So how we can create outlines? Simply right click on the text and here we have an option create outlines. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift Ctrl plus O. So now the outlines are created, but we can see here if we observe closely the outlines are not united. We need to merge the outlines or unite the outlines. So to unite the outlines, here we have Pathfinder. And in Pathfinder, we will use the option Unite. So now the outlines are united. Now what we'll do, we'll go to Object, and in Object we have the option Path. And in Path we have an option Offset Path. Simply click on the Offset Path. And once we select the Offset Path, here we have the offset value as 10 points. So we will stick to this default value. If we want, we can increase the value, but let us stick to the default value and simply click OK. Right. Now the next step is we will separate the outline and the text which are right now in a group. So we'll simply right click on it and what we'll do is we will just ungroup. So we'll ungroup the outline that we have just now made and also the inside text. So simply click on ungroup. So once we have ungrouped, so now what we'll do is we will select the inside of the text, that is the original text, and we will give it a simple white color. And we can also do something, that is we can unite. We can unite the inside of the text. So now what is the next step we are supposed to do? So we will select the outline and we will also unite the outline here and the red color outline. Now what we'll do is we will create one more outline. We'll select the red outline and we can give some yellow color to it if you want. So simply give it a pure yellow color. That's it. And here we have to unite the outline, the yellow outline. Right. So now what we'll do is we will just go to edit and we'll select copy and we will again go to edit and here we have an option paste in black. We can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl B. Just simply click on paste in black, or sorry, paste in back. It's not black, back. So just click it. We can use shift and down arrow and also we can use shift and right arrow to move it a little bit away from the first yellow outline. So we have to do it something like this. So now what we'll do is we will select the inner outline and also select the outer yellow outline, and then what we'll do is we will create a blend. We'll create a blend between the two outlines. So how we can do that? We can simply go to Object and here we have an option called Blend and we'll go to Blend Options. And in Blend Options we'll select the specified steps and we'll put the value here as 40. if we put a higher value, there will be a smooth transition. The blend is going to be very smooth, and it's not going to have any rough edges. It's going to be very smooth. So now what we'll do is simply click OK, and then we'll go to Object, Blend, and we'll click on Make. So we can see here, we can see the change. So now what we'll do is we will first expand the object. So we'll just click expand. So what will happen is, if we expand, it will turn into a normal object, normal shape. So now we will have to unite the shape again. So here we have the option unite. That's it. So we can see some interesting results here. So now what we'll do is, we will now select the inner text, which is the white one, and we can give some different color to it. So see here, this is the color I have given. So now we'll do something more interesting here. What we'll do is, we'll create one more copy of the inner text, the red text. So what we'll do, we'll go to edit, we'll click on copy, and we'll again go to edit, and here we'll again use paste in back. So just simply click on it. So again what we'll do is, we will just use the shift and down arrow key to move it a little bit down, and also we'll move it a little bit to the right. So something like this. And now we can give some different color to it. So something like a blue color. So something like this. And we can slightly just adjust it. So something like this. So it will give some extra attraction to the text. So now what we'll do is, we will select the inner red color text again, and we will give it a black color outline. So where is the black color outline? See here, we have the foreground and stroke, or we can say stroke. Instead of saying outline, we'll say stroke. So we can just give, we'll just give a stroke. Sorry, not black color, we'll give a pure white color. Right. So white looks interesting. And then here we'll open the strokes panel, the stroke panel here. In case the stroke panel is not open already, so you can always go to the window menu, and we can simply click on the stroke option to open the stroke panel. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus F10. So now what we'll do is, in the stroke panel, we can actually put the weight as 8 points, and we can see the change. And also we will just use this option, align stroke to outside. Right. So now we can see here. So we got some interesting result. Right. And we can select the yellow color outline that we have first created. We can slightly move it to the left and up. We can move it in such a way that it will cover the entire text. Right. So now what we'll do is, so we will actually select the yellow color outline, and we will give some drop shadow to it. So simply select the yellow one, go to effect, and here stylize and select drop shadow. So we can see here, and we can just slightly change the offset value for the shadow. So something like this. And you can just change the Y offset and X offset to 2 points. Right. And to make it more interesting, we can also give some stroke to the yellow color outline. So simply double click, select the yellow outline, and simply double click on the stroke swatch here, and we will just select a blue color. So we can see here. Right. So if we want to, we can also increase the weight for the blue color stroke. So we can keep it to a small value. 3 points is enough. So we have quickly completed an interesting text option with paths and outlines. And one last thing we'll do is we will just create a background here. So what we'll do is we will just select a rectangle and we will turn off the stroke for this, and we'll give some interesting background to it. So we will use the swatches. Here we have the swatches. In case the swatches panel is not open, we can go to window menu and open the swatches panel just like the other panels. And in the swatches panel, we will just open the swatch libraries menu, and in swatch libraries menu we will select gradients and we will select the gems and jewels. So here we have the gems and jewels, and we will just apply this sapphire background to this, and we will right click on this background and we'll select arrange and we'll select send to back. That's it. Right. So we can select the background and we can go to the select menu and we'll just click on inverse so that the entire text is selected. Now we'll group the entire text. Right. Now the entire text is grouped, and we can center scale the text by simply using Alt and Shift. Right. Now we have completed our text design with interesting outlines, and now what we'll do is we will export the file. So simply we will go to file and we will just select save as, and we will save it as a PDF file. So simply we'll select the PDF format. PDF stands for portable document format, and this format is used for vector graphics. You will get sharp edges for whatever vector shapes you export as PDF files. So now we'll just simply put the name text with outlines and we will save. And now we will see the final output. So this is the final output that we got. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like, subscribe, share, and if you have anything to say, do comment. See you again.